Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The most exciting sub-flagship of 2026, the Samsung Galaxy A57, officially tested on the Geekbench database. According to the latest available data, the smartphone will get new powerful hardware upgrades and memory like the Galaxy S25 Flagship. Geekbench Data shows new test results and scores. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Yesterday, it became known that Geekbench has released new benchmark results for the Samsung Galaxy A77 under the model number A776B, which marks the rebirth of the A70. According to the published data, the smartphone will feature 8 or 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. The chipset will feature the proprietary Eclipse 940 GPU, the same one found in the Exynos 2400 and 2400E, found in the Galaxy S25 FE. Today, a Samsung smartphone with the part number A57B has appeared on Geekbench. This smartphone was previously listed in the IMEI database as the Galaxy A57. The device is powered by the Exynos 1680 processor, as we know already. It scored 13 underline points in the single-thread test and 347 points in the multi-thread test. The Exynos 1680 is equipped with an octa-core processor. The main core operates at 2.91 GHz, 4 high-performance cores operate at 2.6 GHz, and the power-efficient cores operate at 1.95 GHz. Compared to the Exynos 1580, it has one additional high-performance core but one less power-efficient core. These changes contribute to the new chipset's increased performance. The smartphone has 12 GB of RAM, the same as the Galaxy S25, and runs Android 16. The display size may remain the same as last year, at 6.7 inches. The smartphone is also expected to feature a 50-megapixel main camera and a 5000 mAh battery, with support for 45 watts fast charging. It should run Android 16 or higher, One UI 8 or more likely One UI 8.5, depending on the phone's release date, and will come with a 6-year support warranty. According to the previous formula, the Galaxy A57, along with its siblings, the newly announced Galaxy A77, Galaxy A37, and Galaxy A27 models, the new Galaxy A series 2026, should launch in March or April next year. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.